Hi, my name's Tom. I was sent this portable chair to go ahead and tell you all about it, and that's what I'm going to do. This is a heavy-duty portable lawn chair. I've actually used things like this. You've probably used things like this, but this is one of the nicest, most comfortable lawn chairs with the most features that I've ever seen. Let me show you all of them. First of all, right off the bat, comes in a bag. Okay, that's fine. You get chairs anywhere. But the nice thing about this is, look at this handle. It is very, very big. It's big for a reason. It's not just big for this. That's kind of handy for some kind of walk around with it. But it's big because the bigger handles you can put over your shoulder, and now you have your hands free. There you go. It's both a handle and a shoulder handle. So you just put it on and go. And by the way, if you get two of these, you can go ahead and put two of them on your shoulder. It works fine. That's great. The bag itself is very strong. It's got a little tightener on it. I'm just going to open it up. I'm going to bring it out of the bag, and then I'm going to quickly set it up over here, and you'll see how easy it is. Here's the chair itself. I want you to see it is not just a straight black bars. These are kind of like these textured bars. They're gray and they look like marble. They look really, really cool. I'm going to open it up here. There we go. That's it. All you do, open it up and you put it down and you sit in it. And so there you go. Here's the chair. By the way, let's do measurements. Everybody likes to have measurements. The chair itself, the seat itself, is about 23.5 inches across. Let's say 23 when you're actually sitting in it. You'll push it down a little bit. And it is about, here in the back, it is about 22 inches high. And there is a little bit of support here. There's support on the sides right here. There's not across the back, but when you lean back, you kind of tighten the fabric. So it does actually support you. And I'm going to go ahead and sit down. And, that's very, very nice. So let's talk about this. There's a bunch of different features on this chair that I'm going to go ahead and show you that you don't normally get in a regular chair you just pick up anywhere. First of all, one of the most obvious ones, yes, there's a little can holder here. It does fit standard 16-ounce cans. You can fit some of the larger cans as well. My son can actually fit his monster can into here just fine, no problem at all. And it does go down. It's got a pocket there. You can see it kind of extends down. You also, on the same side, you have this nice little pocket here that's kind of good for a whole bunch of different things. You can go ahead and put like keys or remotes, little instructions or tickets you might have, anything you might have here on the side. You could obviously put a book or two in here, iPads, phones, whatever you want, kind of goes here on the side. You have the two mesh pockets out here, and then you have an internal pocket as well there. There's no zippers, but you can still grab stuff and put stuff in there nice and easily. You can see the joints themselves are actually fairly sturdy. There's a nice metal pin there, and they have plastic all the way around it, all the different joints to kind of head and meet everything together. It's a solid plastic. It's a strong plastic. I don't see anything happening. There's even a guide here. This guide just kind of helps everything smoothly open and close. The back says live different, live better, which is nice. Again, this is a great camping chair, beach, whatever you need. Here's another really innovative thing on the other handle. This is kind of a, you say, well, it's a zippered pocket. Yeah, but I'm going to open it up. And what it actually is, you can see that? It's actually thick in here. This is actually an insulated bag. So if you have cold things, you can put them in here and keep them somewhat colder or somewhat warmer if you're putting warm things in there. But it's insulated. It actually has a fair bit of padding. It kind of feels like a little cooler, basically. So you could maybe put a couple cold beers in there, grab one out and put it over there to drink it, and then keep the cold ones in here, throw a cold pack in there. It could last for a while in there. And again, it does have a double zipper, so you can just zip it right up. It folds back up just like it comes out. You just kind of pick it up, squish it all together, and it goes right back in the bag real nice and easily. Now, this is a heavy-duty chair. It can hold up to 450 pounds. And you might be thinking, but I'm not that heavy. I don't need it. No, wait. You might. This is the sort of thing I would have loved to have had when I was a parent with little kids. When my kids were small and I'd go out to a picnic or a soccer game or something to see them, I would sit in my little chair and they would come running over and jump on my lap or jump up and down, or I have both of them sitting on me. And I have actually had some of these chairs start to creak and moan and bend because it was me and two kids sitting on me. This chair is big enough that as a parent, I would love to have a kid on my lap and be sitting here, and this chair would hold up just fine. That's why you want a bigger chair. Bigger chairs are more comfortable. They aren't much heavier. They're easier to carry around. This one's got a nice big bag and a nice big handle, so it's actually easier to carry around than some of the smaller chairs. It's just a comfortable thing. If you're going to be sitting outside for hours at a time at a sports game, at a campfire, any kind of outdoor activity, you're going to want to be comfortable. You're not going to want to be sitting there for an hour and suddenly say, oh my gosh, I'm cramped. I don't feel like I got to walk around. I don't like this. You want to relax. You want to hang out. That's why a chair like this is what you need. Now, secondarily, obviously you can carry two of them. You should probably get two of these as well, because once someone sits in one of these chairs, they say, wow. They're going to also say, I want that one. Hey, can you borrow that? Can I borrow that from you? Yeah. So these things come in multiple colors. This happens to be the red color, obviously. But they come in multiple colors, but they also come in a 1-pack or 2-pack. So I would definitely go for the 2-pack, because you know you're going to have someone else who's going to want one as well. And then carrying them, again, really, really easy. Just put them both over your shoulder and you're good to go. So yeah, this is a really, really nice chair. It's comfortable, it's big, it's easy to close up, it's easy to take out, it's lightweight enough that you can easily carry it. It's got the big handle. I highly recommend this.